T function returns text if the value in a given cell is text. It returns empty cell if the value in a given cell is number. This function has only one argument. In a value argument, test the value, whether it is text or number. Click Cancel. Active this cell. Click text arrow button. Click T function. In a value box, select this value or select this cell reference. Click OK. T function returns text because the value in this cell is text. To test T function in other cells, paste the formula in other cells. Move your pointer at right vertical border bottom edge until its shape changes to plus sign. Double click. Active this cell. Function returns nothing in this cell because the value in this cell is number. Active this cell. Function returns nothing in this cell because the value in this cell is logical. In this way, you can test the value in a cell by using T function, whether it is text or number.